Alright everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's turkey season here in Ohio still. I got a tag. Casey has a tag. Casey has school today. And I took the morning off to mess around the house and play with the dog and spend some time with her before she left. So now that she is in class, I'm going to go see if I can chase down a bird. I'm here on this smaller piece of private. It's about 15 acres, but the landowner says that there's birds down in here and it butts up to public. So if I need to stretch my legs a little bit, I got that opportunity. So the plan is just to kind of kill an afternoon, maybe kill a bird at the same time. It's a nice day, so who cares? Let's go check some things out. Maybe we'll let this plane pass. Here's a good tip for you. There's a piece of private that I have permission on in a different county, and there's a lot of air traffic around that area. So when you're getting to your stand in the morning for deer hunting, or in the evening, or you're trying to move around, if you have a plane above you, man, does it really block the noise. And you can be pretty sneaky if there's overhead noise. That's gotten me a couple deer doing that. Road traffic's the same way. I just walked up this hill and a bird just gobbled like 50 yards from me. I gotta get some up here. These birds are getting bumpy. I'm not going to be able to do anything. I know exactly where this bird's at. I don't know if I can call him in. Up in here with these property lines. And this bird moved his way down onto private. So I'm gonna drop down this hill, circle around, get onto that knoll, see if I can call him over. Something tells me this guy's gonna be pretty stubborn, but homie, I got all afternoon. We'll see how this goes. About to finish my last bite, and then he just gobbled. This bird's within 100 yards. I'm sure he's been within 100 yards for the past 40 minutes. I don't know what I can do. He's at the very top of a knoll. I'm in this little patch of power line debris with just high stem stuff everywhere until we get to the open woods. The woods that he is in is nothing but hardwoods. Nothing on the bottom. I cannot get in on that. I gotta call him out of his safety zone. The good news is I'm kind of in the shadows here. He's not close. I can probably reposition and get a better hide and call him in. Call him in. He's not leaving that hole. I'm done. You can come here if you want to. I cannot sing any better than that. I'm not going on to the next round. You come here. You come here. That was it. That was the last one. That was my encore. Oh, stubborn bird. But check that thing out. There's another one over there. Probably more in here too. I'm shutting up. If he wants to come down the hill, he can come down the hill. Here's the problem. The hardwoods that's right in front of me is completely open on the bottom. So I can stay in this cover lane and get down there, but I still have to stay, 15 yards into the cover, one, so he doesn't see me, and two, if he does come in, he's not getting in right on top of me and I can get a shot on him. So going that way is not going to make much difference. Going that way means going back to the truck. I can't get in those woods. There's no way. He's hot. He's just stubborn. Been working this bird for 3 hours. I almost need him just to move off so I can get up on top of that knoll and then call him back down or back up. But he's got no reason to leave up there. I'm sure he has food. He can see every direction, so you know he's safe, which is why he's not leaving. It's like they're mocking me. Oh, I feel so bad that I can't get these birds on video for you guys. But these are two very smart, very stubborn toms. I think I'm just gonna let them move off and I'm gonna find something else to do with my time. It's been 4.5 hours working these birds. I'm just about out of camper battery over here. And I'm out of property. line, so I can't even pursue these birds anymore. That was fun, though. That was a lot of fun. So this TOMS eventually moved off onto the private. Actually, they were on private for most of the time that I was hunting them. Where I'm standing now is where I first heard them, and they were actually kind of circling on this little bench. You can even see Henrietta, my decoy, back over there behind me. And you can see why I wasn't able to sneak up through these woods, because it's just open hardwoods and they would have seen me. We got these down trees right here, and then that little knoll with taller grasses and a brush pile on top. That's private, and they would not come past that lip. I spent the last 5 hours working in these birds, the whole time within 100 yards. And the crazy thing is that an hour and a half of that, they were within 30, and there's nothing I could do about it because of that property line. That was a fun hunt. I drained that battery. I went through 2 GoPro batteries. They're gone. There were 2 more gobbling down here at first, but they haven't gobbled for a couple hours. I think if someone were to come in here using some of this cover and actually set up before the TOMS are out here, depending on where they roost, you'd probably get one. But I think those birds have been worked before. Yowzers.